I want to show y'all how easy it is to change somebody's life.
Deep game, then stay on top. Grind hard, can't lose focus. Open slot, so I had to take it. That's the only way that I'm moving forward. That mid ticket sitting right there. Them other niggas ain't moving forward.
Things. All you gotta do, 2 things, bro. Watch this video, sub to this channel. Watch this video, sub to this channel. Watch how you change somebody's life. Watch how you change somebody's life. It's that simple, bro. Watch this video, sub to the channel, and I bet you change somebody's life. You feel me? With a click of a button. With a click of a button, it's way more than a million. You feel me? Way more than a million y'all out there. All you gotta do, bro, watch this video, sub to this channel, change somebody's life. That somebody is me. You feel me? Change somebody's life. That somebody is me, Lee Sims. And mark my word. Mark my word. Screen record this shit. Matter of fact, screen record it, send it to me on Twitter, Facebook, you feel me? Lee Sims, Lee_Sims on Twitter. I be on Twitter more than I'm on anything, you feel me? Facebook, Lee Sims, blah blah blah. I don't really be on that gram like that. But you know, you damn sure could get at me on Twitter for sure. You feel me? Screen record this though. Mark my word. If y'all watch this video and y'all sub to this channel, and when that time come, well, I done made it, I got y'all. I bullshit you not. You change my life, I'ma change yours. Simple as that. You change my life, I'ma change yours. It's a revolving cycle, bro. Why be greedy with this shit? Why be greedy with it? You feel me? If I'm able to help somebody, if I'm able to help somebody out, like if I have that power to do it, why not do it? Come on, bro. Why not do that shit? Why not do that shit? It's enough to go around to everybody. Don't be greedy with that shit, bro. Don't be greedy with that shit. And I know I can't take it with me. You feel me? If I was to have it, cause I ain't finna sit here and act like I got it, cause I don't. To be honest with y'all, I ain't got it. I'm trying to get it though. I'm trying to get it, cause I got people I want help. People who depend on me, people who need me. You feel me? So, you know, why not look out? Especially if it's dealing with the people who helped me get to where I needed to get. That people is y'all. You feel me? If when I get it, I couldn't have got it without y'all help. So why not look out for y'all? Why ain't nothing selfish this way, bro. Ain't nothing selfish over here. No cap. Nothing selfish. This a real life video. You feel me? Get one of these, bro. One of these right here. One life. One. You feel me? Don't take shit for granted, bro. Go out there and live your best life, bro. The shit that you scared to do, man, go out there and do that. Go out there and do that, bro. For real. I ain't never sit here and think I'd be talking in front of camera, trying to do some YouTube shit, man. That was never in my future. I ain't never seen myself doing it, but I was like, man, look, let me give it a try. Let me see where it can go. Let me see where it can take. Fast or slow, it don't matter. I'm trying. You feel me? It's something new to me. Step out that comfort zone. It's 2021, bro. Step out that comfort zone. Do your thing. Do your thing, bro. I support everybody who doing something. Matter of fact, if you a business, whatever you do, drop in the comments, man. Drop that shit in the comments. We support everything this way, for real. Whether it's something small, something big, I love it. I love to see it, bro. Don't let nobody stop you from doing what you gonna do, bro. Don't let nobody stop your line. Don't let nobody discourage you. None of that shit. Cause I know there's a lot of people who don't, you know, it's a lot of hate. It's a lot of haters out there. It's a lot of hating motherfuckers who want to see you down. Don't fall into that shit, man. Do not fall for that. Do not fall into that. You stronger than that. You better than that. Don't let some words get you down. Stand strong. Stay up in their chest. Don't give up. Don't give up on your dreams. None of that. I'm really rambling, like I'm keeping it all the way live with y'all. No cap. No cap, bro. This is just some words of encouragement and some real shit. Like for real. Watch this video, bro. Help me change my life, bro. Help me change my life so I could pass it on to the next person. You feel me? So you help me, I help you, and they help the next person. Keep it going. Keep that shit going, bro. That's how we grow. That's how we grow as people. That's how we grow as a unit, bro. Don't be selfish with it, bro. Do not be selfish with it. I ain't up there yet, so I can't really, I can only do so much. I'm a small channel, bro. I'm trying to grow. You feel me? So I can't do too much, but I'm trying. So with y'all help and y'all helping me grow, I could help the next person grow, and then hopefully they could help the next person grow. That's how we need to do it. That's how it need to be, for real. This wasn't no point in this video to keep it straight with y'all, bro. This was just some real life shit, cause I know y'all can change my life with the click of a button. Two simple click. One simple click. Well, no, two simple clicks, cause you gotta click on the video. You feel me? Watch it. then sub. See how that work? But look, bro, I ain't finna clickbait y'all or nothing like that. But this is how you can change somebody's life in 2 clicks. Fuck with me, man. I'm Lee. I'm out.